So I'm home today, sick. Well, not, I don't know why I did that. My daughter, my youngest, is sick, so I had to take off today to look after her. And she's down right now. She's napping just right over there. And I have to thank Bloomberg Television for helping to put her out. They don't get all the credit though. White noise from the washing machine, the dishwasher, the dryer, and the fan, and the air purifier. I've got everything going. I'm thinking about getting Robbie going here too soon. Robbie is our robot vacuum. All the white noise is helping her sleep and feel better. Have a good one.